Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out how you can upload multiple reels at one time. Hopefully this will be a tool that can save you some time in the end. So this is on the Meta Business Suite. If you are just on your dashboard page, that's what this is. When you just go to the main website and log in, you're going to see right here on the right side where it says more. You're going to click on more, and then you're going to see the option for bulk upload reels. So just click on that. It's going to bring you to this page here, and it says right there you can upload up to 50 reels at a time. So I've got a couple ready here, so I'm just going to hit add reels. So I'm going to select the two that I want to do for this one. Hit upload. I'll give these a minute here to upload before I continue on. Okay, so those are fully uploaded. If you want to just type in your caption, your description, you can put that there and just go right ahead and publish. But if you want to, you can hit the more edit options for each of them. So I'm going to do it for this one here. You can see that I can add my caption right here as well, which is really nice. You can go to edit, so you can add your audio here, search for audio if you don't have audio on it. I've already got mine on there. That's just how I make them. You can crop it as well if you really need to, or you can trim it down as well if you need to do any trimming. I have mine all ready to go, already edited beforehand, so I don't really need to do any of that. And then you can hit share as well. So right here, you can save it as a draft, or you can hit schedule. So you can schedule it for a time. I'm going to just exit out of here because I want to show you right here as well where it says publish now. You can also schedule it from here for a different point, or save it as a draft, or again schedule each of them. So you can go in and you can schedule things all ahead of time, up to 50 of them. You can publish multiple at a time if you would like to, or you can just put them in, save them as a draft, because maybe you don't know exactly when you want to publish them yet, but you can do that later. So this is a really easy way to upload multiple reels and save you a lot of time right away on Meta Business Suite. If you haven't checked out my other tips as well for using social media, I will link that playlist below. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.